Obaseki receives 2,500 APC decampees. The re-election bid of the Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, got a major boost as youth leader of the All Progressive Congress APC in Ottawa Ward 9, Onwa East Local Government Area. Barrister Emma Egbeido led over 2,500 members of the APC to defect to the People Democratic Party (PDP) ahead of the September 19, 2020 gubernatorial election in the state. Egbeido and his followers, who were received by Obaseki, candidate of the People Democratic Party (PDP) in the forthcoming election, declared their support for the governor's second-term bid, citing successes recorded by the administration in all sectors of the state. According to him, nobody can convince me not to follow Governor Obaseki. Even the blind can see his developmental strides across the 18 local government area of the state. I am not here to announce his developmental strides to us because they are there for everyone to see. His people's nickname, they nickname him the Wake and See Governor because of the way which he has delivered his campaign promises in the first term. You sleep, wake and see that your roads are tarred. The next morning, he will continue to be the governor of this great state in the next 4 years, he added. Obaseki also received a retired CSP, Stephen Iriegbeje, in Ward 9 and Oje Ehiere in Ward 8 from the APC to PDP, as both the campees assured the governor of their full support in the forthcoming election. The governor further commended the people of Ward 8 and Ward 9 for their massive turnout, adding, 4 years ago when I was sworn in as the governor of this state, our agreement was to go and work for the interest of the common man. But some people want me to be under their control. They roped a stone on my leg, but even with the stone, I was able to do so much for my people. By the time I am totally free from them, I promise to bring more developmental projects to my people. I can see electricity poles everywhere, and we still don't have light because some people are benefiting from the current state of darkness. But I understand the electricity politics. I will replicate what I am doing about electricity in Benin in all parts of the state in my second term in office as the governor of our state. I have equipped the General Hospital in Ottawa and directed that available nurses and doctors be posted to the hospital. I want the hospital to commence operation before my election, he noted. The governor, however, called on the electorate to come out in their large numbers and vote for him in the forthcoming gubernatorial election. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, what do we call all that has just been said by Godwin Obaseki? Is Godwin Obaseki just blaspheming, or is he actually a man of his words? Well, this is up to you people of Edo State. You have to look around. You have to look around and see if truly Obaseki has really done well in his second term, in his first term. You have to look around. You have to stroll and see things. You have to checkmate and be sure. If Obaseki truly has done well, then what now stops you from giving him another opportunity? What now stops you from saying, have this second term and do more better? We don't have to beat around the bush. Let us do what we know that is right. Let us not be deceived. Politicians are good at that, deceiving people. Deceiving people, lying. They are good at that. Let us not allow ourselves to be deceived anymore. Let us say no to this. Let us not allow ourselves to be an object of ridicule. Enough is enough. Check what Obaseki has done and see if really he has done well. If he has done well, then give him that support. Give him that opportunity. Let him work for the second term. Let him do what you are requesting for. Do you understand? You really need a someone that is straightforward. You need someone that is genuine. Do you understand? That is what you need. My viewers, he that has done well deserves a second term. He that has done well deserves a support. Is it not in the scripture that whosoever that gives receives? Since Obaseki has been able to give, why don't you give him the opportunity to receive? Do you understand? So my viewers, what is your take on this? What is your observation on all that has just been said? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.